All right, everybody, here we are. We're gonna do a second look right now of this floor. So we've already put our stain on and we've put one layer of finish and adding the second one right now. So let me go ahead and turn this over, show you guys what this looks like. So this is wet, so I'm not gonna step on it, but see the big difference? Huge difference. Let me see if I could get in that angle, see that side. Not allowed to step on this floor because they're applying the second layer now. So let me see. One more angle. That guy's over there, hard at work, putting everything in. But take a look at the floor. It's beautiful. What a difference. Once this dries, it's gonna look a whole lot better. Then we'll throw our third and final coat and we'll be all done with this. So just a quick update. Try to do another video in a little bit, show you the finished product. Everyone have a good one.